Hello students, now we are going to learn the topic median for group discrete data. We have already seen how to calculate median for ungrouped discrete data, that is for individual series. For a group discrete data, how the median can be calculated. So as same in the individual series, the formula for the median M is value of n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. The median is the middlemost observation. Here the grouped frequency distribution is given here. Weight of the students is given and number of students. That is, weight is in kilograms. This weight is in kilograms. So weight having 50 kilograms weight. How many students are there having weight 50 kilograms? The 7 students are there. Weight in kilograms, kgs, and number of students are given. We have to calculate the median weight, that is the middlemost observation in this for this data. So solution, question is given. This is the here. Let x be the, what is like x is given here. X is the weight of the students and f be the frequency, that is number of students. First we have to take, let x is what? X be a variable. This is the weight of the students. Weight of the students. And f be the frequency. F be the frequency means what? Frequency, number of students. Number of students. Then see here, we have already this data, this weight, we have to find the median weight. This data weight, data, the variable x has all the values in ascending order, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95. All the values are in ascending order, so no need to arrange the data. Already in data is in ascending order. Now when you arrange the data, first you have to arrange this 50 and its frequency is 7. So first you arrange the value 50 for 7 times, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. These are the 7 weights of 50 kilograms, because this weight 50 has a 7 student. Next we have to arrange this value 60 10 times. 60 10 times. 60, 60, 60, 60. What is the 17th observation? The 17th observation is the 60. See here, the last observation, the 7th observation is this 50. Next, this 17th observation is 60. We have to calculate, this is less than or equal to cumulative frequency. Less than or equal to cumulative frequency means what? The frequency of a number x is less than or equal to 7. That is number of students whose weights are less than or equal to 7. How many students are there? 7 students are there. Next, number of students whose weight is less than or equal to 60. How many students are there? 17 students are there, because less than or equal to 60 means what? Less than 50 and equal to 16. So whose weight is less than 60, there are 17 students. So 17th observation, this is the 17th observation. You can take the 17th observation is 60. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Next you have to arrange this 70 15 times. 70 15 times. So the 32th observation is, which is this 32th observation? 32th observation is this 70. And what is the 30th observation? Again 70. So you have to arrange 7. Next you have to arrange 70 15 times. This 70 15 times and 15. So the observation from 18th. The observation from 18th. The observation from, this is the 18th observation. 18th observation. 18th to 32th observation. The value is 18th to 32th observation or 32nd observation is 70. So less than or equal to CF. So how we can calculate less than or equal to CF? The number of students whose weight less than or equal to 50 is already 7. 50 or less than or equal to 50. Next, number of students whose weight less than or equal to 70 is 17, because less than or equal to 60 means what? Less than 60 is 50 and equal to 60, that is 17 students are there. Number of students whose weight is less than or equal to 70. Less than or equal to 70, how many students are there? They already less than or equal to 70 means less than 60. Less than 60, 17 are there, and equal to 70 plus 15 are there. So this is the 32. Similarly, number of students whose weight less than or equal to 80 is this 40. How this 40 number we have obtained? Number of students whose weight less than or equal to 80 means, whose weight less than 80 means whose weight is less than or equal to 80, that is 32, and number of students whose weight is 80 is 8. So 32 plus 8 is this 40. Again this number of students whose weight less than or equal to 90 means 40 plus this 5, 45. Again this 45 plus 3 is 48. So in this way we have to calculate this CF. When we calculate this CF, we are able to find a median. Here n is equal to number of observation, n is equal to sigma f equal to 48. Number of observation, how many number of observations are given? 48 observations are given, and we have to find the middle most observation in the data. What is the middle most observation? Middle most observation is actually the average of two middle values. What are that two middle values? That two middle values are n by 2 and n plus 2 by 2th observation. N by 2th observation is what? N by 2th observation is, n is 48. So 24th observation plus 25th observation. N plus 2 is 48 plus 2 is 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. So 24th observation and 25th observation divided by 2 is the median. So what is the 24th observation here? See here, 17th, this 60 is the 17th observation. When you arrange the observation from 8th to 17th, 60 observation is there, and next 18th to 32, the observation 70 is there. So this is 70 plus. So 24th observation lies in the 18th to 32th observation. So 24th observation is 70 plus 25th observation is also 70. 70 plus 70 divided by 2 is just 70. So median weight is 70. This is for your understanding. Hope you understand. So first we have to calculate. We have prepared a frequency distribution table here, and we have obtained less than or equal to cumulative frequencies, and formula here we have to write n here. What is the value of n? The value of n is 48, which is a even number. So median is the average of two middle terms. Now we are going to actually calculate the median. Now we are going to calculate the median. So here number of observation, here n is equal to number of observation is equal to 48. So median m is given by, the median m is given by capital M is given by capital M is equal to value of n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. This is equal to value of, what is the value of n? 48 plus 1 divided by 2th observation. So this is equal to m is equal to value of 48 plus 1, that is 49 divided by 2th observation. This is equal to value of 49 divided by 2 means what? This is 24.5th observation. This is equal to 24.5th observation means what? This is the 24th observation plus 0.5 into 25th observation minus 24th observation. This is equal to 24th observation is, see here in the table, 24th observation. What is the 24th observation? We have already seen 24th, the observation from 18 to 32. See here, 17th observation, 17th observation is 60. Afterwards 18th to 32th observation is this 70. 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23rd, 24th and 25th to 32 observation is 70. So in that 18th to 32th observation we have a 25th observation and 24th observation whose value is equal to 24th observation is 70 also, 0.5. 25th observation is again 70 minus 24th observation is again 70. So this is equal to 70 plus 0.5 minus the 70 minus 70 is 0. So this is equal to 70 kilograms. Therefore the median weight is 70 kilograms. Median weight is 70 kilograms. So this is the way to calculate the median for the discrete data. Thank you, students.